Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by identifying the pillow type and removing the cover, because different fillings respond differently. Once done, lay the pillow flat and locate seams and corners to target. You'll use quick compress and release actions to reintroduce air into clumped fibers. This step breaks up trapped clusters and restores loft. Make sure to keep a steady rhythm, firm but controlled, so the filling redistributes evenly without damaging stitching. You're setting the foundation for fuller, more supportive sleep. You now focus on detailed redistribution to fix internal clumps. Start with repeated compress and release motions, then shake the pillow vertically and horizontally to encourage even spread. This helps fibers resettle. When you find dense clumps, squeeze and pull them apart, patting corners and center so air flows between pockets. For down, toss gently so feathers realign. For synthetic, knead more firmly to separate mats. Memory foam needs only reshaping and airing, never aggressive squeezing. These actions restore consistent support and loft. You finish by shaping the pillow to your preferred loft, lift the midline, smooth the surface, and give a few firm punches to set the fill. This locks the restored shape. Once shaped, air the pillow outside for 20 to 30 minutes when weather permits to remove moisture and odors and to let fills expand. If a persistent lump remains, make sure to open a small seam, redistribute, or replace the offending filling. Then neatly mend the seam. This corrects long-term clumping and keeps the pillow functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.